I guess if you were going to get down to the basics, it's just like FBM just started out as a bunch of friends hanging out, and it was based around traveling and trying to do cool shit and ride bikes and, just try to make the best of whatever we had, The influence that we were brought up in, it's kind of like, you did everything yourself. If you wanted something, you made it. I think that's like what FBM is, it's like it's hands-on, it's DIY. It's a culmination of like a bunch of personalities and characters and like hard work. A lot of companies, they all love BMX just as much as we do, but like, we're committed to the whole process, from start to finish, from the ground up. The guys that are pulling levers and, running these TIG welders, they actually like have experience designing these bikes through, putting them through the ringers. They're BMX riders. Their experience is hands-on, just like, the work is hands-on. I think it says a lot that here we are in 2014, and we're able to build state-of-the-art bicycles on machines that were made in the USA like 50, 60, 70 years ago. It's like, that's like American manufacturing right there in a nutshell. For us, made in the USA means like made by us, like that's the big part of made in the USA is the us part, and it's like, that's what makes it rad, Mike Erb, he's one of the other owners of the company. He's 50 feet away from the machine shop and he's dialing in, in SolidWorks, these CAD drawings of bikes, and he can come out here and actually like physically hold up a tube, the same way, he can flip a bottom bracket around, on the computer screen in a program, and he can come out here and grab the same part and like look at it, physically look at it, and like, that's crazy that he can just walk 50 feet, talk to somebody that actually rides a bike, talk to somebody that's actually making a bike, and then be on the computer like doing engineering, designing a bike, and like what better way to, do quality control than to actually see the parts come in, start out as a tube and, work its way around the shop and then leave, as a bicycle that some kid's gonna ride, that we might end up seeing on tour at some skate park or, at a bike shop or a demo or who knows what, we've been at this, since 1993, and 21 years later, here we are at the end of the workday at FBM here in New York, and we're still doing it our own way, and we're going to continue to do that, and continue to make the best bikes we can, the best products we can, and be a positive part of the BMX community and like the bicycle world at large. And at the end of the day, we're just happy and proud to be doing what we're doing, and that's it.